Hyundai Motor Group has just announced one of the biggest industrial bets in South Korea's recent history. A massive 9 trillion won, that's $6.3 billion investment into Saemangam. The vision? To transform Hyundai from an automaker into a physical AI powerhouse. The project includes a 5.8 trillion won AI data center scaling up to 50,000 GPUs, powering autonomous driving, robotics, and smart factories. A robotics manufacturing cluster, a 200 megawatt hydrogen plant, gigawatt scale solar infrastructure, and an integrated AI hydrogen model city. Construction begins in 2027. Completion is targeted for 2029. Projected impact? 16 trillion won in economic ripple effects and 71,000 jobs. But this bold move comes with serious long-term risks. First, environmental concerns. Saemangam was once one of Korea's largest tidal wetlands. Reclamation has already damaged ecosystems and migratory bird habitats. Now, adding energy-intensive AI data centers and hydrogen facilities could increase water demand, cooling requirements, and climate vulnerability, especially with rising sea levels. 9 trillion won is enormous if AI demand slows, if hydrogen economics don't scale, or if GPU supply tightens. Hyundai risks building a high-cost mega-project with uncertain returns. In a country facing demographic decline and rising fiscal pressure, opportunity cost matters. Robotics, physical AI, and hydrogen are still emerging industries. Delays, underperformance, or global competition from the US and China could limit Korea's leadership ambitions. And history shows mega projects in Saemangam have struggled before. Here's the bottom line. If successful, this could redefine Hyundai and position South Korea at the center of AI-driven manufacturing and clean energy. If it falters, it risks becoming another capital-heavy national experiment with uneven returns. The next 5 years will determine whether this becomes a global model or a cautionary tale. Passionate Finance News, because every breakthrough has a balance sheet.